Hello, hello! Welcome to Tuti Kay Vlog. This is Mami Cherry and we will learn common Bisaya phrases. Let's begin. Maayong buntag. Good morning. Maayong buntag. Good noon. Maayong udto. Good noon. Maayong udto. Good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Good evening. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Good day. Maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!